Hi everybody, it's Jackie at Discovery Fabrics. I'm going to do a short tutorial today to show everyone how to use our Discovery Fabrics loyalty program and earn fabric funds that are able to be redeemed for cash purchases on your orders. So if you go to our website, discoveryfabrics.com, and you see this little blue box in the bottom right hand corner, you can just click on that. If you haven't created a Fabric Funds account, then you can click on the Join Now button. But if you already have a Fabric Funds loyalty program account, you can log in here. Now, just be aware that an account on Discovery Fabrics is different than the loyalty program, and so you'll have to create a second account in order to redeem your fabric funds. So you can just go ahead and log in, and the first page that it takes you to is just going to show you an overview of all of the things that you've done. So if you again click on this blue box, it's going to tell you how many fabric funds that you have. It's going to show you all of your account activity with fabric funds, and if you click on the little arrow in the top left corner, it's going to take you to the page where you can find your rewards. You can learn more about ways to earn by social sharing. You get fabric rewards on your birthdays, and you also can earn great fabric rewards by using this referral link, which will give you and the person that you are referring a $20 off coupon reward that you can use during checkout. So that is a fantastic way to earn some extra cash towards those fabric purchases. Once you have placed some orders and earned some fabric funds, if you want to claim a discount, you just come to this box right here, and you can enter the number of rewards that you want to claim. So in this case, I'll just do an example of 500 fabric fund points are going to be worth $5 off. I'm going to create a discount, and then I can copy this discount code to use during checkout. If you forget what your discount code was, or you lose it for some reason, it still lives in this area, and you just have to click on the See All Rewards, and it will bring up every reward that you've claimed. And if you haven't used it yet, you can just view it, copy it, and paste it during checkout. If you have any questions about the Fabric Funds program and our loyalty programs, you can give us a shout, or you can send us an email, and we would be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks so much. Bye for now.